Hello everyone, welcome to the new tutorial about Leonardo AI, where you will learn how to use this AI, how to create images, and so much more. So first of all, of course, we need to access Leonardo AI website and log in or create a new account. As you can see, I already created a new account. And in our home page, we will see something like this. So it will show you different buttons here. All these buttons are some features that I will tell you about a little bit later. And here you will also see some pictures. These pictures are created by other users of Leonardo AI website. As you can see there, these are their nicknames. And if you click on one of their images, you will see the details about this image. So for example, you'll see the prompt that was used to create this image. You also can go generate video from this image, generate an image guidance input. So for example, you will see some descriptions about this photo, the model that was used to create this image, and moreover you can download this photo and use it in your own way. But this video is not about using others' photos. The next button here in the left side menu is personal feed. So if you click on it, you'll see all your generations. So in my case, I generated some plant pictures, and there are some plant pictures. Now you will see your follower feed right here section. If you followed some other creators, you will see everything they created here, liked feed as well, and collections. But that is not what we need. The Leonardo AI is first of all about generating images. So now I'll show you how to generate an image. Here under AI tools folder we will see image generation. So click on it. Here basically you can generate your image. As you can see, if we will click on generate, it will cost us 24 coins. We have 150 coins on our free plan, but as you can see I have less than 150 because I generated some images. They refill every day. If you want more coins, you can subscribe to some premium, you can enable some premium subscriptions and you will get more ways to generate images, but we will stick to the free plan. So here is our prompt. Here we need to type something that we want to create. So for example, I will write something like a meadow with a rabbit. So you need to type first of all the character, the main character of your image. This is the rabbit. The background, it is a meadow, and for example the mood, sunny weather. So if you see here, there is a prompt enhance. So if you feel that your prompt is poor, you can enable automatic prompt enhance or simply turn that on. So the AI will enhance your prompt and make it more realistic and creative. So I'll just simply put it on. Here is also preset styles. If you want, you can choose some of them. And contrast, I will set it to medium because it is default. Here are some other options. Generation mode. If you want fast generations, you can enable here fast generations, or if you would like more quality but slower speed of generation, you can choose here quality, but it is only on it is a premium feature. Here are also some image dimensions. So for example, this is 1:1 picture. You can go for a full resolution or some more resolutions here. Small, medium, and large. Large is premium, and number of images. The more images the AI is generating, the more coins it will cost. So I will set it to, for example, I can set it because it is only for premium members as well. So I'll leave it to 4 pictures. Private mode. What does private mode mean? If you enable private mode, it means your images will not be seen by other Leonardo AI users. So if you enable private mode, these images will only be yours and they won't be seen on the feed, in the home screen, on the home page to other users. But as you can see, it is also the premium feature. Moreover, there are some advanced settings. For example, you can choose the model you are using. You can enable photoreal images as well, but it is premium feature as well. Negative prompt. What does negative prompt mean? For example, if you are creating a picture of a man, you can type here 6 fingers. So the AI will avoid creating a man with 6 fingers. something like that. Transparency, it is not allowed here. Styling, ideal for repeating textures. It is useful when you are creating some textures for a game, for example. And the seed, I will not show you what it is about, you don't need it. So now when we are ready, we need to click on generate and simply wait for AI to generate our image of a meadow with a rabbit on sunny weather. As you can see, here is our enhanced prompt. So our AI enhanced my default prompt and make it to a serene meadow bathed in a warm sunlight with a fluffy white rabbit. It sounds much better. So as you can see, now I have my image of a rabbit, and if I click on that image, I can basically download it right here. I can copy it to my clipboard. I can unzoom it. So if I will unzoom it, it costs 5 tokens as well, and it resets in 5 hours, but it will make the image bigger. Moreover, I can remove the background, so I can make the background transparent, and I will only have here my rabbit, and I can paste it to another, for example, image. So here I can choose unzoomed image, and basically now, as you can see, the image got larger. So that is how you can generate images. Now I will go and show you some other features here. The second feature here is motion. So if we click on motion, we can select an image that we want to make a video from. So for example, I will choose this image, press confirm, and now it will also take some time to generate a video from an image. Then I can view or close generation. I will simply close. As you can see, this is generating right now because it takes usually a while. Moreover, there are some real-time canvas as well. So here is my drawing. You can simply ignore it, but if you will draw something on the left side, the AI will output it on the right side. So for example, I want some guy to be here, but as you can see, it is generating some blue guy that I drawed on the left. And that is how it works. Here you can decrease the strength. So for example, more strength means less creativity. More strength means more creativity by AI. As you can see, if I will lower the strength, it just does nothing. Here you can choose your style. So for example, it can be anime. And here interactive mode is enabled, and real-time mode is for premium users as well. Basically that is how it works. Now the real-time generation, what is it? Basically here is something similar, but here you type a prompt and AI is generating an image based on your prompt in real time. So for example, I want to generate a cup, so I'll type here a cup, and as you can see, it generated a cup. Here you can decrease the strength of some elements. So for example, I don't want it to be a kid's illustration, so I will decrease the kid's illustration element, and the coloring book also decrease, and now it looks more realistic in my opinion. Here also you can change the style, but basically how it works. Here is also Canvas Editor. So if you go to Canvas Editor, you can edit the image that you feel that some elements are gone wrong. So for example, if you choose here a lasso and draw the object that you don't like. So for example, I don't like his arm, simply draw it. And here in the prompt, you need to type something that you want to change about this object. So for example, make another arm. And simply click on generate. It will cost 14 tokens as well. I have only 72 of them left. But after a few moments, it will make another hand for this guy. As you can see, it made some strange decisions, and I will just simply click on cancel because I'm satisfied with this hand. But if you have some bugs like that, you can change the model and it should work fine. So now if you go back, you also see here Universal Upscaler. So if you click on it, basically it will upscale your image and make the quality much better. So here I already uploaded an image of a cat, and here to upscale this image, I need to click on upscale. There are some settings as well for it. For example, creativity strength. If you will increase the creativity strength, it means you gain more creativity for AI. Upscale multiplier also, you will increase it, so the quality will get better. Here you can type your prompt, but it is optional. And when you are ready, you can click on upscale and wait for this image to be enhanced. As you can see, the quality of this image enhanced, so you can drag this line and see what changed. And basically that is it. Now you can download the upscaled image clicking on this button, or delete it, or make a motion video as we did before. So if I go back, I'll see some advanced options right here. Fine-tuned models. If you click on it, you will see some models that are already installed on this AI platform, or some community models as well, that are models that made by community. You can use them and see what images they do generate. Your models, but I have no models, and favorite ones, I also do not have them. Training and datasets and texture generation, I will not tell you anything about this in this tutorial. And basically that is it. That is everything you need to know about Leonardo AI and how to work with it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.